The number one reason glasses don't look good on you is because they don't fit you. Today we're gonna learn 3 tips that will help you find a pair of glasses that fit you and you'll feel confident wearing your glasses. So the first thing you wanna look for is the pupil to be centered in the lens horizontally. Let me show you what I mean. So in this frame here, you can see that my pupil is not centered in the lens. There's more room on the inside than there is on the outside. And so it's not centered. There's not a balance or symmetry to this frame in relation to my pupil. And so it's not a good fit on me. It almost feels like this frame is closing in on my eyes, which is why it's not complementary. It's not a good fit. So look for the pupil to be centered in the lens horizontally. Now that you've seen something that doesn't fit, take a look at this frame, my personal pair. You can see the eye is centered in the lens. There's plenty of room. There's no closing down of the frame. Even though it's a thicker, bolder frame, it still fits me really well. The second way to know whether a frame fits you or not is by looking at the bridge fit. And there's 3 types of bridges. The first one that I have on here is called a saddle bridge. And the goal here is to get full contact on the bridge. Just like the saddle on a horse, you want to get full contact. If there's a gap at the top of the bridge there, it wouldn't be a good fit, but you can see I'm getting good contact throughout, and that's a good fit for a saddle bridge. The second type of bridge is called the keyhole bridge. And this one is designed so that you have a little bit of gap at the top of the bridge fit. This allows for fitting more bridge sizes, and it gives you just a little bit different of a design and different style. But you can see this is a good fit on me. My bridge, there's that gap there, and you can see perfectly that it's a good fit on me. If my bridge was sinking down into that gap, that would not be a good fit. And so here you want good contact on both sides of the bridge, but then that gap should be clear at the top. The third type of bridge is called the nose pad bridge. And this is a very common bridge. What's nice about this type of bridge is you can actually adjust these nose pads. You can see that in another video, but you can make them fit. The key here is full contact. Once again, you want that pad to sit and rest evenly on your bridge. And once again, you can fit this style on lots of different size and shaped bridges. And so many people like the nose pad style. That's a proper fit on a nose pad bridge. The third thing to keep in mind when finding the right fit for your glasses is your eyes are the show. Ultimately, we want to draw attention to the eyes. Whether you like it or not, most people are attracted immediately to the eye first. And so with a pair of glasses, we're simply trying to frame the eye so that people can see it clearly, it's balanced, proportioned on your face, and it looks good. So your eyes are the show. I think about it like a painting. You would never off-center the framing on a beautiful painting. You want to make sure that the frame just highlights the beauty of the painting, and your eyes are the beautiful painting. Next time you're looking for a pair of glasses, keep these 3 factors in mind as they'll help you find a good fit. No matter how much you pay for your glasses, no matter how bold or how thick or how thin, no matter what color, these factors will help you find a pair of glasses that fit you. And ultimately, fit is the most important factor to make sure your glasses look good on you. So remember, eye centered horizontally, good bridge fit, and ultimately your eyes are the show, like a beautiful painting. Thanks so much for watching. Share with your friends and family that could use this information. Like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching The Glasses Guy.